The loop library is where you'll find thousands of pre-recorded sounds, one-shots, sound effects, and MIDI loops that have been assigned to MIDI instruments. You could hit Browse Loops here, or go up to the purple tab on the top right there to open up our loops. If I grab the scroll bar on the side here, we can just see there are thousands and thousands of sounds. It can be a little overwhelming. Thankfully, up the top here, there's a search feature. So you're able to search by instrument or genre. So I could click drums, hit the play icon next to the loop, and preview the sounds here. Or I could go to a different instrument, say in an R&B style. Loops help speed up our production and can bring inspiration into our project. I'm going to grab this bass and drag it into the project. I'm going to drag it to the front there, make sure it's right on the right bar, and that's placed that loop into our project. Another way of doing that is to double click in the library, and that will also place it into our project. So something that happens when you bring in a melodic loop such as that, you'll see that now a key has been assigned, and every other melodic loop that you bring in after that point will be locked to that key. It will also be locked to your tempo. So whatever tempo you have set down here, this loop will be set to that tempo. So we can change our tempo at this point and the loop will change with it. Click Adjust to change the loop's tempo. And there you have it.